Okay, what is the best way naman for you to have self-improvement? The only thing that I will recommend for you is invest your seeing money. Paano muna yon? Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na or ABC money. Yung mga A-money, ito yung mga non-negotiables natin in life. Ito yung mga pinagkagagastusan natin in life. Yung D-money naman, ito yung naman yung mga investment that works for money. Investment stocks, the purpose of para mag-grow yung money mo. C-money, ito yung investing your time and your money for your self-development. Whether learning, podcast, through seminars, everything and anything that you can do para ma-develop mo yung sarili mo. Yan ang una mong kailangan gawin. For your physical health, at least mag-exercise ka in the morning 4 to 5 times a week. For your spiritual health, at least everyday ka nakakapag-meditate. For your mind, kung pwede tayo magbasa ng books, umattend tayo ng mga seminars, everything na pwede makapag-improve sa ating mind or makapag-develop ng ating knowledge, gawin natin. Kasi ito yung mga bagay na kailangan natin paglaanan ng panahon at ng pera kung gusto natin mag-improve yung sarili natin.